All right, guys, good morning. It is Thursday. What did we do so far? Well, I came here with Luisa, and she left to go get her license, her permit, and she left me here by myself to run the show. Had the doors closed because there was a few things I needed to do, and I was sitting here and I'm like a little nervous about opening up the doors, and because my Tagalog is limited to what I know, and I was a little nervous somebody would come up and I wouldn't know what they wanted, but I opened up the doors anyways, and had a few customers. I figured, you know what, if they know what they want, they'll point to what they want, and some people do know English, so I'm sure they would be able to tell me in English. But yes, I had a customer this morning come up and buy 2 ice, and I knew the price on those, 3 pesos each. Little girl came up, bought some Skyflakes, which are crackers, and she wanted 2 of those. And I had another customer come up and she wanted Red Horse, and what else? I think that was it. I think I had 3 customers, and I did very well, I thought. But anyways, Luisa was up and she got the permit this morning, and I guess you guys want to know right now, or you guys have been asking, what is the name of our store? So I'm going to have Luisa tell you the name of her store. All right, guys, without further ado, Luisa is going to tell us and tell you guys the name of her store. All right, what is the name of her store?
First of all, good morning everyone. Okay, the name of our store is gonna be L&H Sorry Store. That combined my name and Hannah Grace's name.
So there it is, guys. L&H, Luisa and Hannah Sorry Store. Now, can you explain the process that you went through to get the permit?
Well, we went there, and then we asked where we can get the business permit. Then we go there. After that,
Where is there?
That's Samsonville Village. You know where the McDonald's is?
Yeah.
And then in front of it, like the subdivision, that's inside.
So it's a separate building that issues licenses?
Yeah, it's a separate. And then we went there, and then they asked me to form the application. So I formed the application. It's personal things, my name, birthday, birthplace, you know, and also married. And then I paid 35 pesos. And then they asked, then okay, it goes to the other window, which is from this official receipt. And this one. So I went there, it's just so quick. Write it, call my name, goes to the office from the back area where the barangay captain said. And then they asked me, what is L&H for? I said, that's my name, that's my name, and that's my daughter's name. And then they asked me again, what's this for? It's a grocery, it's a mall, or what? So it's a sorry. So okay, that's it.
Simple, very easy. 35 pesos for the license allows us to sell alcohol and tobacco now. And
No, it's not 35.
not 35?
No, the cedula. You need to get cedula first.
Cedula first.
Yeah, that's
35.
35.
Okay.
I paid like 300 pesos for allowances to buy.
300 pesos. Okay.
350. Usually they don't ask you. I don't know. Maybe it depends where the area you belong is, because I know in Malabañas, where our area is, they ask you if you're selling alcohol and cigarettes.
So they didn't ask if you were selling that?
You paid 1,000, which is fine there. They didn't ask me.
Oh, so they didn't ask. Okay. Well, there it is. 350 pesos for a license for a Sorry store. Like I said, we can sell alcohol, tobacco, and all our products here. So there it is, guys. L&H Sorry store. All right, guys, the cable company has arrived. Getting ready to hook up the cable, putting it up in the top room. But they're here, and we're gonna have internet. That's a good thing. All right, so we had an old outlet there, as you can see, for the cable, but he told me it's no good, so they are running a new cable box here. Now this is all included in the price. I don't know if I said the other day how much we're paying for it, but $1,500 to have the cable here, and that's without TV, just straight up cable. So, and here's the worker, working hard. All right, guys, we have cable. It is hooked up and it is ready to go. Love it. Love it. Now I don't have to go home. I can sit up here late into the evening and upload videos for you guys. But cable is up. Another accomplished job for the day, and I'm sure we got a lot more to do yet. Got Lut over here. She's working away, filling up her cabinets, putting up, I think she's putting up signs. Are you putting up signs, or what are you doing here, Lut?
I don't put signs. I try to put this.
Oh, she's trying to block the
Sun.
The sun comes in and hits her. Yeah, that'll melt the lipstick and stuff. Can't have that. So, yeah, well, we'll figure it out. All right, guys. You guys have been asking where our store is located, and here's our address right here. But I figured I'd show you off the street here. Sometimes, well, most of the times, the roads aren't marked, so you don't even know where you're going half the time. But anyways, I'm going to show you here so you have some landmarks. If you're coming from Angeles City, right? This is MacArthur right here. So coming from Angeles City up here to Daewoo, on the right-hand side will be the Pure Gold. Then you have the Burger King, which is also on the right-hand side. You come up here to the McDonald's, which is right here. Big sign right there, the big McDonald's. You make a right-hand turn here. Now, if you're coming from Daewoo down that way, the traffic light's down there, so you make a left-hand turn. You got to come up MacArthur up this way, and then you have to do a U-turn up that way, and then swing back down around. But anyways, I'm going to do a walk down through here and kind of show you, well, show you where we're located. Like I said, make the right at the McDonald's there, and just take this road all the way down. It's super busy time right now. It's about 5:30, 5:45, somewhere around there, and a lot of traffic and a lot of people right now. Got the fish ball stand right there. Like I said, this is busy time. In the morning's a busy time. Late morning, early afternoon, it's not as busy. But yeah, you just keep on heading straight down. So if you miss a turn, go down to MacArthur, do a U-turn, and go back down MacArthur, do another U-turn. You got the trike line here on the left. We found in the past couple days, we've been staying at the store only till 8 o'clock. And this time of the night, this time of the evening, we got quite a few customers stopping in. We had quite a few today stopping in all day. Luisa actually had to go up to Jumbo Genera, and restock on a few things. Plus, grab a bunch of stuff just for storage. But I'll tell you what's moving a lot is cigarettes. We only sell, I think, 4 pesos for Fortune cigarettes and 5 pesos for like Marlboro. And we've been blowing through those. Actual profit off of those, it's about 32 cents profit for each pack. So, and we sold quite a bit of Red Horse today. I think people are finally, I don't know, realizing we're there and giving us a shot and giving us a try. There's actually a foreigner right in front of me. Huh. Only seen a handful of foreigners back in here. Foreigners, I mean white guys. They could be from United States, Canada, Germany, wherever. Then you'll come up on the right hand side. Here is the Bliss Hotel and Resto. So you know you're going the right way. I think somebody asked me about trash cans in the Philippines. Nah, never seen any around out in public, and I'm sure if they were, they probably would get stolen. I think somebody actually said that they actually had some out in Angeles City or somewhere, and they just kept getting stolen, so they quit putting them out. But this is the busy area right here. You pass all these stalls on your left and right. And you come to the intersection here and just keep going straight. I mean, you can see all the stalls here. Food stalls left and right. People selling all kinds of food. A lot of people pick up food as they come home from work. Trike jam up. And come down, I don't know, we're probably 3 or 4 blocks in. Nice dog. It's a really nice dog. And you got a puppy. Barbershop here. Traffic jam here. Yeah, it really gets jammed up here. There's people parking on the left side of the road, right side of the road. So the traffic can only flow so fast. People just wait, take the turns going around. Check this out right here. This is really freaky. I seen this coming up. I thought it was a little kid sitting right there. It's like a little doll. Huh. That's pretty weird. Yeah, as you come down through here, the not many stores down through here. LPG store. Oh, somebody mentioned the LPG sign that was sitting outside our or outside the store. That's just sitting there. It's a metal plate that's painted LPG. Maybe the people before us sold LPG in there, but we don't sell LPG. Mention about cooking next to the LPG, and yeah, there's no LPG. We're not selling LPG. Anyways, guys, you come down a little further, left hand side is a little yellow store right here. They sell a lot of, well, they sell rice and chicken feed in here. And if you get this far, you are almost at our store. Right here on the left hand side is our store. Right here. Look for red paint with green trimming. This is our store on the left hand side here. Just so you know, in case you're coming, my car will be parked outside, so look for the red car, and we're directly across from the red car. So hope to see you guys Saturday or anytime. Anytime is great. Just stop by. We'll be here.